Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is just to go to your Google Photos. Okay. So as you can see, there are, identical photos here or duplicate photos. As of the moment, I am using my phone and I can really find the feature where the Google Photos will detect the same photos, but you can delete them one by one. Okay, so you'll just have to press and hold one of the photos. So as you can see, there are plenty of identical photos. And then after tapping on and pressing, you'll just have to tap on the delete option at the bottom corner. Okay, this one. Then tap on move to bin. Now click on library and then click on bin. Then you'll be able to see the photos, the identical photos that you have deleted. Okay, so for now, just delete them manually, so you can be sure that you deleted the right photo. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.